Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you view Instagram stories secretly, then you're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you do that in two different methods. All you need to do is to follow up with me till the very end of this video so that you make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it. Now of course, since we're going to be using the Instagram mobile application, we need to head out to your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on. Go ahead and search for Instagram. Once you find it, make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. After that, you can finally quit the store. Let's head out to Instagram now. Of course, you have to be logged into your account and you have to be following that account if they are private in order for you to be able to see their stories. So let's find an account that has a story on. I'm gonna go to a big account, doesn't really matter. I'm gonna go to Nat Geo Wild. As you can see here, they have a story on. If I tap on it to open it, as you can see, I am viewing their story. Now, in order for them to not know that I have seen their story, you can tap right here in the top right corner on their profile. And then from this menu, tap on block. So basically, you need to go ahead and block this account for 24 hours so that once I unblock this account after 24 hours, they will never know that I have ever seen their story. And you can do this to every single account on Instagram after viewing the story. The second method is actually very easy. It's personally for me better than the first one. You need to go ahead and first turn on the airplane mode before viewing any story. So once you turn on the airplane mode, you can now view the story. As you can see here, I am seeing the story without a problem, without even having to have internet on. After that, I can quit the story and even the application as a whole. So before you turn on the airplane mode again, you need to uninstall your Instagram application and install it again. And once you log in, they will never know that you have ever seen their story. And that is basically it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one, guys.